Welcome back, you guys, to the Wig Obsessed YouTube channel. My name is Marcie. Today we're looking at Rene of Paris Vero in the color Watermelon Rooted. Let's get started. You guys, this hair is gorgeous. And I have my sights on this style in the white rose as well. Because if you know me, I don't just stop with one color. When I find a favorite, I buy in multiple shades because I want this one available whenever I need her. This Vero is part of the 2024 Rene of Paris spring release, and she is stunning. Look at this coloring, you guys. This is a pastel fashion color pink with a dark root that doesn't look like a fashion color. Like, it looks like salon perfection, and certainly not something you would wear as a costume color, if you know what I mean. I am loving this dimension. I'm loving this mid-length lob with some waves and some face framing layers. Let's take a look at her. This may be my favorite Rene of Paris style yet. I hate to pick favorites, but this one is just so pretty. If you've seen this style in white rose in the Rene of Paris Spring Collection promo videos, then you know what I'm talking about when I say there is just a variety of beautiful colors available in this one. Let's take this one off and look at her cap construction real quick. Okay, you can see that she is a side monopart with a lace front that goes from temple to temple, the traditional velvet ear tabs and nape, and the wefted cap for ventilation, and straps here for sizing. All right, I'm gonna hold her up, and hopefully you can see in my studio lights the dimension of this beautiful pink with that darker root. It is the rooting that gives her such believability and makes her look like a salon professional color that you would pay a ton of money for. Beautiful hair. Love this style. So grateful for my experience working with Rene of Paris. Ooh. There we go. Such a beautiful curl pattern. I participated last week in a Rene of Paris Get Ready With Me with Abby, their alopecia ambassador, and she was so delightful to work with. And honestly, you guys, it was my first live. It was so easy and effortless to just sit and talk with her and share makeup tips and share our story, how we became involved with wigs and the experiences we've had, and what are our thoughts and recommendations for others who are looking to do the same. And it was just a really good time. Now, it was a 70-minute live. And if you had told me before that live started that it was going to last 70 minutes, I probably would have just shuddered in anxiety, right? I wouldn't think it was possible that we could talk for that long, but we did. It was a great time. Over on my Instagram, I did a highlights reel of about 7 minutes. So if you want to catch the highlights, head over to my Instagram, wig.obsessed, and check that out. Or get cozy and listen to the whole thing. It was a great time. It really was. I appreciate those folks reaching out to me to share my makeup tips and to get ready with Abby. Part of the deal with these Get Ready With Me's is they let me choose a wig of my choice and color. And if it's available, they'll send it to me. So my first pick was the Vero in the white rose, but that thing is it's sold out, you guys. It is off the shelf. It's not available because it is so widely pursued and sought after, right? So, gosh, this was my second choice. This gorgeous color. And I got so lucky because it was in stock, and I'm so grateful. It's like it was meant to be. So they sent me this one. Now, they also send a surprise wig that they don't tell you what it's going to be, and you get to open it live on camera. And I did, and it was hilarious because it's a wig that I already had, because I already pursued the panache waves in melted marshmallow, and I was delighted. And you can never have too many of a favorite style, because let's face it, these wigs do have a shelf life and they will wear and tear over time. And I'm just fortunate now that I have a backup to that panache waves and melted marshmallow. Beautiful wig, so grateful. Love those folks. Really enjoyed working with them and hope to do some more of that in the future. You guys, I hope you have enjoyed this style as much as I have. Leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of Vero from the new spring collection 2024 Rene of Paris. Tell me if you would have chosen this color or what color you would have picked. Be sure to like and subscribe and turn on those notifications so you never miss a thing. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Wig Obsessed YouTube channel. My name is Marcie, and we'll talk soon.